people in the UK love Christmas, which is in winter on the 25th of December. There are Christmas trees both in the houses and outside. All families have Christmas dinner. It's traditionally a turkey, a pudding, and mince pies. They all smell delicious. People also have Christmas parties. Children make a lot of noise at the parties. They play and dance. There is an old Christmas tradition in the UK. It's singing Christmas songs or Christmas carols. Children also like funny Christmas nursery rhymes. Listen to one of them. Little Robin Redbreast sat upon a tree. I wish you a Merry Christmas. It's a greeting from me. With apples to eat, nuts to crack, I wish you a Merry Christmas with a big rat-tat-tat. People bring a lot of presents and wish each other Merry Christmas. There is a lot of snow outside, so children make a snowman. Listen, a funny snowman is calling children to come out. I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my scarf and here is my hat. When I see the snow fall, hear me shout, all you children, please come out. Children like making a wish at Christmas. They also wait presents from Santa Claus, a funny man in red clothes. Christmas is a magic time when you can make a wish and have a good time together with your family. There is another great holiday in the UK too. It's Mother's Day. People celebrate it in spring. Children write cards with warm words and give them to their dear mothers. Mothers always smile when they get cards from their beloved children. Children also give flowers and sweets. They write poems about their mothers. This is my poem. My dear Mom, you are like the sun. Your face is shining bright. If you are next to me, everything is always right. Write a poem for your mother. It will make your mother happy. So, now you know about Christmas and Mother's Day in the UK. You know some Christmas nursery rhymes. It's high time to do some tasks.